Understanding annul in English. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into the word annul. Have you ever come across this term? Wondered what it means? Let's explore together. In this video, we'll discuss the meaning, usage, and examples of annul. Remember, understanding such terms can enrich your vocabulary and help you communicate more effectively. Annul is a verb. At its core, to annul means to declare invalid. It's like saying something is null and void, or in simpler terms, it doesn't exist or never happened. It is often used in legal contexts or official circumstances. For example, a marriage can be annulled if it is deemed to be invalid from the outset. Laws or contracts can be annulled if they are found to violate certain principles. Understanding a word is great, but knowing how to use it in a sentence is even better. Let's see some examples. 1. Court decisions. The court decided to annul the contract because it was signed under duress. 2. Marital contexts. They chose to annul their marriage instead of getting a divorce. 3. General use. The deal was annulled due to fraudulent activities. To further understand annul, let's explore some synonyms. Knowing synonyms not only enriches our vocabulary but also helps in understanding the depth of a word. Some common synonyms for annul include invalidate, void, abrogate, nullify. And there we have it. You've learned the meaning of annul, seen it used in sentences, and even gotten familiar with some of its synonyms. Remember, every word you learn is a step closer to mastering the English language. We hope this video has been insightful. Keep learning and we'll see you in the next one.